here we go. I got another one for you, and we're going to use the Super Rockstar bend that I've referred to in other blues lessons I have. Check it out. That is the example. And I'm going to show you some cool variations off that as well. One more time. Okay, so we're going to do this little repeating idea, similar to some of the other ones we've done. So we're bending that 14th fret G string, and then hitting the 12th fret of the B, followed by the 12th fret of the high E. On the third one, which obviously those are repeating ideas, you can do them as many times as you want in your playing. I'm doing it 3 times. Oh, I screwed up. Then I'm getting my ring finger to the 15th fret of the high E and doing a whole step bend. Letting it kind of relax back down. Like that. So look at that transition, because you're going from the 12th fret to the 15th fret with your ring finger, though. Now, don't reach with your ring finger like that, because when your index finger's right here, your kind of strength is still back here, and your ring finger is like reaching. We don't want to do that. I just want to emphasize that we're kind of changing the position of our hand so we can bend this string far enough. I've had a lot of students that bend that string and they don't bend it far enough, and it sounds bad. It doesn't sound, it doesn't sound right. That we want. Okay? And then right as we're starting to let it relax down, we're going to slide it up a whole step. So now it's the 17th fret. And then we're going to do a whole step bend there. And let that relax down. So watch when we put those together. And there's a very specific ending there with a down pick and then an up pick. The down pick is on the 15th fret of the high E, my index finger. And then the up pick is the 17th fret on the B string, and that's the root. Now, there's some interesting things. There's this little box right here, 15, 17, 15, 17. We've already done some licks with it. So look at that little bend I was doing right there. Do you see the high E and the B string right here? How they're kind of squunched together? It takes a little getting used to, but basically when I'm bending the high E, I can use a little bit deeper down in here of my finger, so then the actual tip of my callus kind of grabs on to the B string as well. right, so try and see what you can do with it. The 17th fret high E bend, whether you're clustering doing the double up there or not, you've got a whole step bend. But then the blues note is only a half step higher, so. All right, so just constantly experiment though. You know, I'm trying to do these licks in a way where it's more a vocabulary lesson than play this exact lick. I think it'll help you more that way. All right, so hang tight. I got a couple of little quick tricks I want you to be aware of, and we'll see you there.